In this video, I'll show you how to upgrade internal storage on Xbox step by step. Step 1. Back up your data. Before upgrading, make sure your saves and profiles are synced to Xbox Cloud so nothing gets lost. Step 2. Get a compatible SSD. For Series X and Series S, you'll need an NVMe SSD that matches Xbox requirements. Always check compatibility before buying. Step 3. Power down and unplug your Xbox. Safety first. Disconnect all cables before opening the console. Step 4. Open the Xbox casing carefully. Use a precision screwdriver to remove screws and gently lift the cover. Keep track of each screw for assembly. Step 5. Locate the internal SSD slot. Remove the old drive and insert your new one securely, making sure it clicks into place. Step 6. Reassemble your Xbox. Put the casing back, tighten the screws, and reconnect your cables. Step 7. Format and set up the drive. When you power on, your Xbox will prompt you to format the new storage. Follow the on-screen instructions and you're ready to go. Now you've successfully upgraded your Xbox internal storage. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.